Hi, my name is Barry Baker. I'm a diesel technician at Four Star Freightliner here in Valley, Alabama. I'm here to talk to you today about having problems with your air conditioning cooling, as in poor cooling. Some of the few things you can try to see if it's something you can fix on your end. One of the first steps you can try is to come out and take compressed air and blow it through your AC condenser. If the condenser is real dirty, a lot of times air won't travel through it and enough air won't pass over the refrigerant to properly cool the system. So take compressed air and blow out your condenser every 10,000 miles or so. Another thing you need to check is to make sure that your engine cooling fan is operating at correct speed. If it's not operating at full speed, a lot of times it will not draw air through your condenser and properly transfer heat so you can cool the inside of your cab. Another is check to make sure the AC compressor is turning and that the clutch is engaged. You can do this by visually inspecting the front of your AC compressor and seeing if your clutch is spinning along with the pulley. If it is not, it could be something simple as an electrical fault, the clutch is bad, or it's not getting a signal from inside, or the pressures are unavailable at the compressor due to the pressure switch or a refrigerant leak. For that, you'll need to come see us at Valley Freightliner.